What is going on, YouTube? DJ Show 1 King Legend coming at you here with another unboxing video. So what we have here is a DJI Mini 3 Pro, and this is gonna be, look at that drone right there, huh? Look at that drone right there. Alright, so I'm gonna get right into it and take this baby out the box. Alright, so as you can see, I had to take that protective covering off of there. I don't know if I can get this with my finger. Let's see. I have to get the kitchen knife or what? I have to get the kitchen knife or what? Alright, so there we go, we got it. Alright, so let's get this out the box. Nice and light. Alright. So as you can see, I'm going into a different direction with my videos. Alright, I'm not sure if you watched my Sony camera unboxing video. But here we have it. This is the DJI drone. Alright. Really don't know much about these, but I'm gonna get into it. Alright, so I'll be learning. Alright, so I had one before, but it's a pain in the neck flying it. Alright, so I had a real cheap one. Didn't know what the hell I was doing. Alright. So alright, so as you can see, I'm trying to get the bottom arms out. Okay, so these pull out. Let me just do this. These pull out. Okay. What you want to do with these is go downward. See, I thought it goes out, but it doesn't. So that's why when you first opening things, you must apply as little pressure as possible. You never know. Alright. Alright, so here you go. You go down and it pops up. Go down and it pops up. Okay. So here's the little robot. Here's the little eye. It's the lights and all that good stuff. Alright. Here's your camera. Alright. So comes with the battery. Alright, so it's nice. This thing is like nothing without the battery. I mean, this is like not even a pound without the battery. Alright, so there you go. Snaps back into place. Alright, this is how you can access the camera. Alright. There's a little tab there that says remove before use. Alright. Okay. Let's see if I can get this back on. Alright. So this is for adults. This is a beginner flying level. I'll be honest with you, this is not a cheap drone. Alright, it's pretty pricey. Alright, but we will see. I'll probably hardly use it. Alright, so I don't want to break it. Okay, so here's your controller. Controller's pretty heavy. Not too heavy, but probably about a pound. Trying to open this up as carefully as possible in case I need to return it for any reason. Okay, so I'm not really tearing into it. might have to, because this is pretty strong glue on here. Okay. Yeah, I think I gotta tear into it. This is not giving up so easily. Okay. Alright, so there we go. Just destroyed it. All that for nothing. Still had to tear it up. Alright, so this is a nice game controller. I mean, wow, this is nice. Alright, so yeah, it's almost like a game controller for these knobs and buttons. Wow, this will be one to figure out. What in the world is this? Alright, no idea. Haven't read the directions yet. Just tore it open. Had to show you guys first, alright? So I have no idea what all this is or what it does, alright? But I will get to it. Alright. Alright, and secondly, we have the DJI Mini 3 Pro Fly More Kit. So this comes with 2 extra batteries, some extra propellers, charging cable, and a carrying case. Alright, so this is a good one to have also. Alright, so I get lots of flying time, probably 34 minutes it says right here. Alright, so plus that, I'm guessing that might be 15 minutes. Alright, alright. Alright, so let me read you some specs. Alright, what we have here: weighing less than 249 grams with upgraded safety features. It's not only regulation friendly, it's also safest in its series. Alright. Let's see what else we got here that you might need to know. Alright. So this thing has crash sensors, which is pretty good. I'm gonna need that. Standard flight time, 34 minutes. Alright, so nothing really interesting here that you might need to know. You can look this thing up, alright, on Google, so forth, and find out all its specs. Alright, so I'll stroll through what it has here. Focus track, master shots, time lapse, quick transfer, panorama, digital zoom, all that good stuff. 4K video, that's what I like. Okay. Alright. Hard show. USB Type-C, 1-year warranty. Waterproof hard shell, so on and so on and so on. Alright, so check out the resolution, 48 megapixels. Wow, that's decent. These phones are only about 12 megapixels, so could you imagine 48? Alright, so there you have it. Alright, DJI Mini 3 Pro. Alright, this is the drone. This is DJ Show 1 King Legend. I'm out. I'll catch you on the next one, alright? Might fly this thing one day for you. Watch me crash it in a tree or something like that. But, alright, on that note, catch you later. Please share, please like, and please share the knowledge, alright? DJ Show 1 King Legend. I'm out.